Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel Botany with YouTube. Today I'm here a PhD scholar. I'm going to present a topic, genetically modified organism, GMOs. Do you have any idea about this topic? It's a very interesting topic and you can see here in diagram genetically modified corn. Definition: the organism like plant, animal, or microorganism in which the genetic material, for example DNA, has been altered in a way that does not naturally by mating and or natural recombination. Botany with YouTube is our channel. If you are new in our channel, then please try to subscribe our channel firstly. History of GMOs. The first GMO created in 1973. After years of testing and research, GMOs was introduced to farmers. In 1990, genetically modified food became available in stores and in markets. You can see here in diagram the examples of GMOs. There are many types of GMOs, for example, soybean, corn, canola, cotton, sugar beets, papaya, apple, potatoes, etc. Examples. First one is soybean. Most soybean grow in United States as in the form of GMOs, and you can say that most GMOs is used for food for animals. You can see here in diagram, and it is used for making oil and some other ingredients used in food and some used in medicines. Examples, the another example is cotton. You can see here in diagram, GMOs cotton was also created in the universe, and it is used in textile industry, and it is also used to make cottonseed oil. You can see here the example of rat. The genetically modified rat is the first rodent model to access the full range of brain change found in researcher reports. You can see here the rat with modified structure. You can see here another example of a plant which is modified in 2013, and it have a unique color and unique pattern of petals due to the tissue culturing technique or artificial method. And the next one example is canola oil. You can see here the flowers with oil. This type of GMOs is used to make cooking oil. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Share our channel, share our videos with your other friends, colleagues, and other researchers. Process of GMOs. GMOs is a very interesting and informative process. You can see here in diagram, plasmid vector is required to complete this process, and tissue culturing technique will be used for this process, and any type of vectors we can use in this process. Genetically modification of plants involves adding a specific stretch or specific piece of DNA into the plant's genome, giving its new or different characteristics. The gene of interest is transferred into the bacterium and the bacteria cells with the help of plasmid or any vector. Steps of GMOs. There are five stages or step of GMOs. Identify section of DNA that contain required gene from source chromosome. Extract required gene. Insert required gene into vector or bacterial plasmid. Insert plasmid into the host cell. Then let it to grow and transfer cell to produce a GM organism. Process of creating GMOs, you can see here in diagram. Experimental conditions are controls, whereas environment cannot be controlled. The experiment cannot tell what the role and behavior of donor DNA will be once it's in the host cell may be very different from the experimental environment. Before and after of GMOs, you can see here the result of GMO crop or using GMO technique. You can see here the natural peach or artificial peach with large size soft edible skin and 10% only stone and 90% edible flesh and 100 mm in size. Advantages. There are many advantages of GMOs. It's allow for more benefits as compared to natural or some other crops or organism. GMOs are an effective way to provide farmer a large profit while making them spend less time, or you can say that it is economically efficient. Farmers should have to pay less time or pay less amount for more valuable product, for more yield and for more quality. It is no to decrease food prices. Means you can say that it is eco-friendly and it is known as decreasing food prices. Advantages. It is the product, you can see here in diagram. It have resistant ability to disease, to pesticides, to herbicides. Botany with YouTube is our channel. You can see here the logo of our channel. Like our video, share our video with your other friends, researcher and colleagues. And if you have any question, you can ask us in comment section. And if you want to share your knowledge, you can also share with us in comment section. Disadvantages of GMOs or genetically modified organism. It can be dangerous to other insects that are important to our ecosystem. GMOs are believed to be dangerous to some insects because new crops genes can be deadly to them. It can damage the environment. Genetically modified crops can cause a threat to the environment due to fact that they are not a natural way to plant and cultivate plants. Disadvantages you can see here in diagram. It has a trade issue. It causes unwanted residual effects. It can create more weeds. It threatens crop diversity. It causes food allergy, skin allergy, and respiratory allergy. GMOs analysis. GMO can be analyzed by two methods, chemical method and the other method is biological method. You can see here the chain of both methods. Biological method, bioanalysis, extracted from products are analyzed, protein, DNA, and chemical methods. The product as a whole is analyzed, whole plant, fatty acid, fiber structure. You can use chromatographic technique for this purpose. Conclusion. The conclusion is that there is no specific evidence to associate GMOs with higher risk to the environment or for food and for safety than conventional plants and organisms. The traditional way to produce improved variety of plant or animal is by crossbreeding and different varieties. Using this approach in the evaluation of more than 50 GM crops which have been approved worldwide, the conclusion has been that food and the feeds derived from genetically modified crops are as safe as nutrition as those derived from traditional crops. Means you can say that GMO's technique is better than any type of traditional technique or traditional crop. Thanks to visit our channel. Thanks for your concentration, for your attention. Good luck to all of you. Allah Hafiz.